Freedom Fence and Services provides expert fence replacement in Odessa, Texas, delivering durable, high-quality fencing solutions that enhance security, privacy, and curb appeal. Our fence replacement team combines top-grade materials and skilled craftsmanship to deliver exceptionally durable, long-lasting, and visually appealing fences that enhance your property's security, privacy, and value. Call our fence replacement if you have any questions. Looking for a reliable fence replacement near you? You can stop looking. You found Freedom Fence and Services. Can I replace just a section of my wood fence? Yes, if the damage is limited to a small area, you may only need a partial replacement. However, matching wood type and appearance can be a challenge with older fences. What types of wood are best for fence replacement? Cedar, redwood, and pressure-treated pine are popular choices due to their durability and resistance to insects and decay. What is your service area for the Odessa, Texas office? Our fence replacements serve the following: Midland, Odessa, Gardendale, Stanton, Greenwood, Elbow, Andrews, Garden City, Midkiff, No Trees, Goldsmith, Penwell, Crane, Lenora, Kermit, Texas. Where is your Odessa, Texas fence replacement office located? We are located at 3201 North County Road 1160, Midland, Texas 79705. Our phone number is 432-400-5362. Visit our website, www.freedomfencecontractor.com.